everybody in Country Life. Thank you so much for visiting yesterday. We really enjoyed your visit, and it was great to share ideas and try and think of ways where we can jointly sell more plants, and that's the aim of the game. Behind me here, this is just a little video to remind you, if you haven't placed your order already, these are the 1 litre Alpines, and it's really it was your biggest, fastest selling line last year. So these are in the 3 for 10 offer. Lots of varieties to choose from. You can mix and match the bulbs and the Alpine. So have a look at the Looking Good list and look if it's in butter and flower, or if you want to me to make it up for you, I can do so. Behind me you'll see there's the bulbs, and actually we're going to just swiftly move on to the Hebes. So these are 3 for your 20 offer, and yesterday we spoke about how Matty Brown, Little Red Rum, Joan Mac, all of these, the darker foliage, the vibrant foliage this time of the year sell really well. And if you contrast it with Lady Anne and Elliptica Variegata, it looks really, really nice on the bench. And then moving on to the 3 for 18. So throughout the season, there's lots of perennials under the 3 for 18 offer, and at the moment we have really, really nice Erissimums, the wallflowers, Scabiosa, and also Vinca Minor Illumination. Remember yesterday we spoke about it as an alternative to ivy in planted containers, you know, just for your customers to decorate their front door this time of the year. Then we have Helleborus, absolutely gorgeous, covered in flower, really, really nice. We really like Penny's Pink and Anna's Red. Cordyline Pink Passion, we've Charlie Boy this year. They're really nice centerpieces for the centre of containers. More Hebes, as you saw we have loads, we love our Hebes. And then finally we've lavenders here. We spoke about both English and French. We have both. This time of the year you'll probably sell more English. It is nice to have a bit of French because they look more full. So get your orders in. It's a really good time to freshen up the benches and start selling for the spring. Thanks again.